Hello, welcome back to my channel. This video will show you an easy step on how to turn plantain amala. There are different types of amala, but to turn the plantain amala, you have to be careful so it doesn't have lumps or seeds. I'll be using grounded powder plantain flour. I am not making a lot, just a little one for myself alone. I used 1 full cup of water and I added a bit more water. I will cover the pot and allow the water to heat up a bit. I've also got some hot water ready in the kettle, which I will use later on this video. You will need a wooden spoon. I used just 1 full cup of the grounded plantain powder. The gas cooker is on a medium heat. Please ensure you're stirring while adding the plantain powder. To make a large quantity of amala, you also need to follow this step. If I was making for 5 or 3 people, I always follow this step and it doesn't come out with any seed or lump. While you're stirring, you will notice the texture of the plantain powder is getting thicker. Ensure you keep stirring in order to avoid the amala having lumps or seed when it's ready. No one likes amala when it comes out with lumps or seeds when it's cooked. As you're stirring, the texture of the plantain powder will get thicker. After cooking this for a while, this is what it should look like. I will get a small knife to scoop the edges of the pot. Please note, with plantain amala, it comes out very thick when I make it, so I always ensure I add enough water. And also, the texture of the yam amala is very different from the plantain amala. At this point, I'll be adding the hot water, which I mentioned earlier on that I had boiled in the kettle. You have to always have hot water in the kettle when making amala. Next step, I'll be covering the amala. The gas cooker is on a very low heat and I'll leave this to cook for at least 5 minutes. You can see the color and texture of the amala. It has changed to dark brown. The gas cooker is on a high heat at this point. I'll just ensure I stir and mix. This is also very important so there's no lumps on the amala. You can see on the video it looks very smooth and plain. After stirring for about 2 minutes, the amala is ready. And amala can be eaten with any soup of your choice. I ate mine with egusi soup. Plantain amala is very healthy and low in carbohydrates. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this was very helpful. Please, if you're new, don't forget to support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload video. Please like this video and share with your friends and family. Thank you. To watch the video of how I made this delicious looking egusi soup, please kindly click on the video showing on the side of the screen. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Have a lovely day and goodbye.